What is drop servicing? Drop servicing is a business model that involves selling a service carried out by someone else. In other words, you sell a service that you outsource to a freelancer or an agency rather than complete yourself. Here are some key features of drop servicing. The drop servicing company acts as a liaison, being the primary point of contact for its clients while its freelancer or agency partners do the work behind the scenes. Drop servicing is also known as service arbitrage, white labeling, outsourcing, or service arbitrage. The drop servicing business model can be summed up in 4 easy steps. The merchant or brand sells a service to the customer. The customer interacts and places an order with the merchant. The merchant hires a third-party service provider who fulfills this order and delivers it to the customer. And the merchant invoices the brand for work completed and collects payment from them. Drop servicing can be highly profitable, as it allows you to manage a team behind the scenes to deliver services to your clients without having to get your hands dirty on execution details. It is also a promising business model that is becoming more and more popular due to the rapid development of technology, the digitalization of society, and the convenience of this approach.